Okay. Can you see me now, sir? Hello?
Uh, yes, I can.
Okay, so it's that computer. You can see it there? Yeah, hello there, Nitesh. I just found your website and I got an issue with the computer. I think I downloaded something that shouldn't belong there and I can't get rid of it. Everything is acting weird.
Okay, and could you please explain what is exactly weird happening with the
When I
computer?
try to open something, it minimizes and it takes really long to load something, to open a file or like software. And I was trying to watch a movie and I clicked on something accidentally, like I think it was some advertisement, and it downloaded something and I couldn't cancel it. I'm just not sure what happened, but I think something is wrong with my machine. It never did this.
And is this the first time you're calling?
Yes, I just found your website.
And which Windows you're using?
Windows 10.
Windows 10.
Yes.
And may I get your first and last name, please?
Bill Gard.
I need to take the remote access of your computer. Do I have your
Yes.
permission?
Yes,
The
sure.
web that is www.logmein123.com.
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Yes, it's www.logmein123.com.
Gotcha. Yes. It is loading. Log me in 123. Yeah. Yeah, like the websites, they also load really slow, and it wasn't like this earlier on. I don't get it. Yeah, it's asking now. I can see a website. It's asking for a code or something. 669274. Yes. Click download, I assume.
File will be downloaded on that file.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah. Support log me in rescue. And are you going to charge me to fix this?
That will be checked once I have the access. Like I need to check if it's covered under the free warranty or some charges are going to be for this.
All right. I understand. Yes. User account control is enabled on this PC. Please click OK to allow rescue to elevate your session.
Click on OK to allow me in the computer.
Yes. Yeah, okay, okay, I see. Yes.
And you're going to get one more prompt. Please click on OK to allow me
Hmm.
in the.
Nitesh Kumar.
Yes, that's my
Yeah.
name.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Can you see me now, sir? Hello?
Uh, yes, I can.
Okay, so
So,
it's that computer. You can see it there?
okay, that's the one on which you're having problem.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, could you please show me by turning it on?
Give me 1 minute. Let me grab my camera. I just got it new the other day, sir. Let me turn it on. Mm, here we go. I just got it the other day. And it's already like acting weird. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
Okay. I will show you. There, it's starting up. I just got it for Black Friday, and it should be like the best computer. You can see what's happening there. You see the screen?
Updating. Yes, it's logged in now.
You can see the black, like the screen is not showing normally. You see that, sir?
Yes, I can see now.
Yes.
Okay, could you open the Edge browser on that? Double click on Edge.
Yeah, can do that. Mm, okay. Yes, you can see that that's not good, sir.
Currently, I'm able to see the speaker, not the one.
Okay, I'm in the edge.
Okay, on the Edge on the top bar, just click on that and type in there www.logmein123.com.
Mm. Log me in 123 or just log me in?
Logmein123.com.
Okay. I mean, I don't know what's up. It worked for 10 minutes and now this happened. You know? Okay. Yeah, I can see the website now.
Okay, and in between that, you see the place where you can enter the code as well. At the bottom, you will have the option of run, save, and cancel. Click on run.
Mm. Sorry, what did you say, sir? I didn't get you.
Uh, At the bottom, you will have the option of run, save, and cancel. Click on run.
Yes. Also, I hope the mask doesn't scare you because I have to wear it. Okay, it's downloaded, sir.
Run it.
Okay, I'm running it. How do you think it looks? You like how it looks?
Currently, the quality I am viewing is in the black and white and not visible correctly, so I'm not able to see your mask
No,
correctly.
but I mean the computer itself. You like how that looks?
Now we will check that what exactly causing the problem.
Okay. Can you tell me something, sir?
Mm.
I want to know how good is this computer also. If you can do that?
We need to check with the configuration.
Yes. The configuration?
Yes.
What is that?
I will tell you. Just give me a minute or two. Okay, you're going to get a prompt. Click on OK on that.
Yes. Which one?
Click on OK.
Okay. Mm, yes. Yes.
Okay, I'm connected to the other computer. Give me a minute. Let me check with something.
Could it be the cables? I'm not sure. Let me try. I'm scared that I'm breaking it, you know? Okay. So what is that, sir? What you're showing me right now?
No, I'm just checking with some things.
Okay.
And it's the German language, not in
Yeah.
English.
Yes, correct. I'm originally from Germany. Hope you don't mind.
And no.
What does it say?
Let me know the manufacturer name.
Sorry?
The manufacturer name of this desktop.
No, it was built for me. I don't know it. Look at it, sir. I mean, look at it. It's not a manufacturer. It's custom built. You see? You can see the
Yeah.
liquid cooler on there. That thing is liquid cooled. But is this a good computer? Sir?
Yes,
Is
I will.
okay. Oh! I can see without the black stripes anymore. I think it was the cable, sir. Can that be? Because the
Yeah,
black stripes are now gone. You can see it on the webcam?
it might be. Yeah,
Sorry?
I can see on the webcam as well.
What?
Yes, I can see it on the webcam as well. There
Yes.
is no black stripes now, and it's like it's a problem with the cables itself only.
Okay. But can you, like, is this a fast computer? Could you check that for me, maybe? I want to know if this is a good computer or not.
How old is this computer?
I got it today. Is the first day I'm using it. MS Info. I'd like to know if there's any problems after what I did with it, the download. Hmm.
Just downloaded the light control.
Yes, that's the one. But then this started happening, so I thought it was like one of those viruses, you know?
Okay. So this is as for help I can provide free of cost to you. In order to get any help further with the computer, there are going to be some charges.
Could you tell me about the issue? What's the main problem? I don't
Like
mind
that,
paying because I want this to be good, you know? So what are the main problems right now?
like I told you before, and you decided by yourself that you just moved the cables, and after that it got fixed. So
Yeah, but why is
it's
it so
all
slow? I don't get it.
as you have just recently installed the Windows, and looks like that you haven't installed any of the software as well. So give me.
Oh, I see. But how good is this computer?
And as I'm checking that you haven't installed any of the softwares itself in it as well.
Which one? Which one? Which one I need? You sell those softwares?
No, we don't.
Okay.
The computer is in a good condition right now and it's working fine. And as far as talking about the softwares we're talking about, you haven't installed any more software, so it must be running as an optimum speed it can achieve right now. So you can go ahead and proceed further by
You see
installing
that,
the
sir?
software. Yes,
Look,
because
look
the
how
computer
many
don't
cores.
have problem with it.
Look how many cores
And
it.
okay, I'm going
Oh,
to make myself a copy of this computer
oh, thanks
and
a
the other.
lot. Can I tell you something, sir?
Yes.
I really thank you a lot that you are not trying to scam me. I'm just doing some research on scams, and you actually been really nice to me. So thanks a lot for not trying to scam me, sir. I appreciate it.
My pleasure.
You are
Anything else
from
I
my phone support, right?
sorry?
You are my phone support?
No, we are premium technical support.
Hmm. Curiosoft.